Hi, I'm Dr. Jamuna Pai and welcome to Beauty Secrets. I've been in the business for over 25 years and now I want to share with you all the tips and tricks I have learned along the way. Follow me to get an insider view on how to get great skin for life. Hi, today I'm going to be talking about antioxidants and free radicals. The free radicals are unstable oxygen molecules that are formed internally within our body as part of our very own metabolic process and through a variety of external factors as well, such as the UV rays, the pollution, the alcohol and smoking. Your body goes through oxidative stress when there is an imbalance between the creation of the free radicals and your body's natural ability to neutralize them. Within the skin, the oxidative stress has been linked with accelerated signs of skin aging, such as the lines, wrinkles, age spots, as well as cancer. Antioxidants are very stable molecules and they help in neutralizing these free radicals, thus stopping the damaging chain reaction that free radicals would otherwise cause. An acidic environment within our body also releases these free radicals. Cancer and other disease-causing cells thrive in this environment. Therefore, alkalizing the system with antioxidant-rich superfoods in your diet help to protect your skin from disease and these age-accelerating free radical damage. Increase color in your diet. Deeply colored, vibrant food products, fruits like berries, mangoes, papayas, vegetables like carrots, pumpkins, tomatoes, spinach, broccoli, lemons, sweet potatoes, and don't forget the wheatgrass. They are very rich in antioxidants and have been known to give a tremendous boost to the antioxidant activity as compared to other food. Now, lime is alkalizing. Though it's ironically acidic to the taste, it gets assimilated as alkaline in the tissues. The same thing holds true for other citrus fruits as well. The innocuous Nimbu is a master alkalizer. Now, green juice is next. It can be made with anything that is green that contains chlorophyll because ultimately that's what we are looking for. Spinach, broccoli, kale leaves, coriander, mint leaves and water mixed in a blender and seasoned to taste. I take this antioxidant-rich, chlorophyll-rich spinach every day. It's my green drink. You should drink it immediately though after it is made because if it is left for more than 2 minutes, it gets exposed to the air, gets oxidized, thereby becoming a dead juice with no nutritive value. Vitamin C is also a super antioxidant. It is needed to support the immune system, but it also promotes radiant skin. The best sources are blackcurrants, blueberries, kiwi, oranges, strawberries, sweet lime, and the list goes on. The sunflower seeds and almonds are loaded with vitamin E. Collectively, antioxidants act together like an army, protecting the skin and body from these free radicals and damaging agents like the UV rays. Walnuts are a good source of essential fatty acids, which are fats that your body cannot make by itself. In fact, they are richer than most other nuts in both omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids. All of these nutrients are required for your skin to stay healthy. Sweet potatoes are a rich source of beta-carotene. Carotenoids, like beta-carotene, keep your skin healthy by acting as a natural sunblock. When consumed, this antioxidant is incorporated into your skin and protect your skin cells from sun exposure. This may help prevent sunburn, cell death, and dry or wrinkled skin. Interestingly, high amounts of this beta-carotene may also add a warm orange color to your skin, contributing to an even overall healthier appearance. Now let's talk about water for skin. Skin cells contain almost 70% of water. And if you are dehydrated, the skin too will feel dry and parched. Water from any source is good, be it coconut water, green tea, fruit or vegetable juices. Now that we've discussed the different ways to alkalize the body, let me tell you how to check whether your body or system is acidic or alkaline. We can do this with these simple looking pH strips. Before you use them, please note that a pH which is less than 7 shows that your system is acidic and one that is more than 7 is alkaline. A pH of around 7 is desirable. Take the pH strip and wet it with the first sample of saliva or urine. Wait till it dries and then compare it with the color chart provided, which will ascertain your pH levels. Now these strips are available at a bookstore or a chemist. Thank you for watching Beauty Secrets with Dr. Jamuna Pai, and I hope this has been helpful to you. For more videos like these, don't forget to subscribe.